Hi everyone, this is Aanchal here. In this video you will learn multiple inheritance in Java. So here we have a definition of multiple inheritance. Having more than one parent class at the same level is called multiple inheritance. So here we have two parents, that means here we have multiple parents and they are extending one child property, right? So this concept is called multiple inheritance here because two parents are extending the same child properties, that's why. In Java, any class can extend only one class at a time and can't extend more than one class simultaneously. Hence, Java won't support for multiple inheritance. It means Java does not support multiple inheritance because here two parents are extending the same child property, right? And this is the problem. That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance. So here I will show you why it is not supporting multiple inheritance. Like in this diagram, class A and class B and class C. Class C extended properties of A and B, right? So this statement is invalid in Java, right? And here this statement is right in Java when we use interface, right? So for implementing multiple inheritance in Java, we use interface in Java, right? But an interface can extend any number of interfaces at the same time. Hence, Java provides support for multiple inheritance through interface, right? So by using interface, we can implement multiple inheritance in Java. Like here in this example, you can see interface A and interface B are extending by interface C, and here we can implement our class in interface C, right? So why Java won't support for multiple inheritance? Because there may be a chance of rising ambiguity problem. So I was saying before in previous paragraph that we have a problem. So this is the problem. That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance, because we can get ambiguity problem. Okay, that's why. So here I have example how we can get ambiguity problem in our programs. So if we have one parent class and he has same method name, and here in another parent class we have same method name, and in C class if they are calling that method by same name, then which method should call, compiler will not understand and it will throw ambiguity problem, right? If compiler think that he should send this method output sometimes, and sometimes he should send this, then how we will understand from which method we are getting output? That's why. So this is the ambiguity problem. We should not use inheritance by classes and object. So here we will see why ambiguity problem won't be there in interfaces, because interfaces having dummy declarations and they won't have implementations, hence no ambiguity problem will be there in our program, right? Because they are using dummy declarations, they are not implementing their methods and they are not giving the definition of method. It means they are not defining their methods, only they are implementing the method. So there is no problem in that. Okay, that's why. So here we have example. I have prepared this example using diagram so you can easily understand, right? So in this example you can see I have created a interface phase 1 with method declaration M1 method, and here phase 2 with same method name, that is M1. Okay, then I have created interface 3 phase 3 and extended both interfaces in phase 3, in interface 3, right? And then I am calling this method from our implementation class, okay, where I want to implement this interfaces method. So from here I am calling this method. So there is no ambiguity problem in this, because here we have separate method calling, okay. So in my practical implementation of multiple inheritance, I will show you real output of what we are getting when we are implementing this multiple inheritance, okay. So in this video, either in this video or in another video, I will show you the real example practical implementation of multiple inheritance, okay. And now what is interface? So like we are using interface for implementing multiple inheritance in our programs, okay, or in our Java programming. So now I will tell you what is interface. Interface is also one type of class. It is a fully unimplemented class. It means here we don't implement our classes, only we declare the method names or operation names, okay. So it is used for creating new type of class only by declaring set of operation or methods. In Java or in any type of programming language, we call method as a operation, okay. If you are using Java from long time, so you are also knowing this terminology. And if you are beginner, so maybe you are not knowing, that's why I'm telling to you, okay, methods of this class, right? So in interface contains only public static final variables and public abstract method for declaring object operation, right? So here in above example you can see interface is taking public, right, public declarations, and it can also take final variables, right, and abstract method for declaring object operations. Means what operation is doing, is this operation is doing multiplication or addition or something else what we want to do in our programming, okay. And now interface is mainly introduced to develop multiple implementation inheritance. It means same multiple inheritance. Interface is mainly introduced to develop multiple inheritance. So here we are implementing multiple inheritance, that's why I have used this keyword for remembering purpose, okay. And now in simple language, in interface we only declare our methods. Here we don't define our methods, we define our class methods in implemented class, right, where we are calling our method. On that class we are implementing our classes or methods, okay. So now here first of all I will create a package, and I will just right click on src folder and then new, then package. So here I will give package name. So I am giving my package name Aanchal .in multiple inheritance. So I will give multiple, yes, and then I will click on finish. Now I will create an interface, because here I am developing a multiple inheritance, that's why I am creating interface, right. So here I will give interface name, that is message 1, message A, message A, and then I will declare a method here, yes. Now I will declare a method here, that is public void m1 of, and then semicolon, because this is an interface, that's why I am giving here semicolon, because here we don't implement our methods, only we declare our methods in interface, that's why. Then I will create another interface and I will give this interface name as message B, right? And here I will create a method with same name, right? So here I will create a method and the method name is public public void m1 of and then semicolon. Yes, then I will create a third interface and I will give that interface name as message C, and here I will extend message A and message B, message A and message B. First I will extend message A, then message B. Okay, yes, now I will click on finish and here you will see both message A interface and other interface, that is message B, has extended in this C interface. Here I will create a method with the same name, that is public void m1 of this. Okay, and here I have already declared this method with semicolon. I have not implemented this method. Okay, now in another class I will implement these methods. Okay, so here now I will go here and then I will right click on this, and now here I will create a class and I will implement these interfaces in my class. Okay, that class will be called as an implemented class. So here my implemented class name is message IMPL, right? And then I'm going to click on finish, right? And here I will implement message C interface in my this class. Okay, so I will use keyboard, that is implements implements message C, right? And I think I have given some wrong spelling here. This is not the right one. Okay, so here my I was in capital letter, that's why it was showing error. And now we will implement our methods what we were just declare on interfaces class. Okay, interfaces. Okay, now here I will show you a message system dot out dot print ln of semicolon, and here I will give a message, that is message from message A, message from message A, MESSAGE, message from implemented class. Okay, implemented class. Okay, here 2n are there. Yes, now we will see the output. Okay, now here I will write main method. So here I will write main method, that is public void public static void main, and here I will give enter, and then string args arguments, and then this brackets. Okay, now here I will create object of interfaces classes where I have implemented my class, and I will create here object of implemented class, right? So here I will write message MESSA message a equals to message a equals to new message implemented class. That's it, MESSAGE message IMPL implemented class, and then I will call that method here. Okay, so here I will call that method, that is a dot m1 of, and then semicolon. Now here we will see our output, what output we are getting, right? So first save this class, and then right click on your main method, main class, that is message IMPL, then run as Java application. Here you will see our output from implemented class, right? So here we have this main method that is overridden from this interfaces what we are using from what we have created previously. So this is the multiple inheritance in Java, where we just declare our methods and we implement that methods in our implemented class, that is in another classes only. Okay, so this is the multiple inheritance in Java. So thanks for watching this video, and some points of inheritance and multiple inheritance, that is in interface we can extend multiple interfaces, right? That is message A, message B, but in inheritance we can't extend more than one class in same class, right? That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance in Java, right? So here this is our multiple inheritance in Java. This is the part 2 of our previous video. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and please like this video and share with your friends also. Thanks for watching.